Hey everyone, I'm Nzinga. I'm based in our Washington, D.C. office, and I'm a staff attorney with NELP on our work equity and our social insurance team. So I'm just going to briefly talk about some of the resources that we have geared towards state and local partners. And I'm just going to highlight a few that you may see posted on this slide. So we published a policy brief that provided a 50-state analysis of unemployment insurance protections in response to COVID-19, which was a look at helpful policies that states adopted to expand access to unemployment insurance. We also produced a toolkit on worker safety and health during COVID-19 pandemic. Becky, who you just heard spoke, released a fact sheet on immigrant workers' eligibility for UI. We also published a preemption resource that was created with our partners at the Legal Solutions Support Center. And that resource is, how do you know if your local government has the legal authority to adopt a policy in response to the coronavirus pandemic? And just another publication that I'll share is a coronavirus benefits update that we produce with our partners at Temp Worker Justice. Resources that we have available for partners on the partner website is fact sheets. We have toolkits produced. We have blog posts, some news releases, and some take action items like sign-on letters. So if you go to the NELP's website and you select the resources to support workers during the coronavirus pandemic, you'll find the resources that I just discussed, those specific ones, and some examples of fact sheets and issue briefs that we have released. And that's the website for partner resources. And also, you can still subscribe to the NELP UI Advocate listserv if you want to receive updates from NELP and other people who are members of that listserv who are providing updates about UI programs in their states. And we also have some exciting news. We actually just released our new website that's available for workers. We released it at the same time that this webinar started, so at 3 p.m. today. And that page will have resources geared towards questions about unemployment insurance, about health and safety issues, about temp work, independent contractors. So here are a few, if you can read some of these, here are a few things that we will have on that website. And like I just said, some of the resources will be FAQs, we'll have Know Your Rights material, toolkits, we'll have links to different states' unemployment insurance websites, and also links to legal aid by state, and some helpful flow charts and other materials. And on the next slide, we're going to have a link to the worker-facing website that I just discussed. And it should be, I think it should be on, you should be able to access that website at this point. So that's just a brief overview of the resources that we have developed so far for state partners and allies, and also that new worker-facing website. And you can stay connected with us going forward by visiting our webpage at nelp.org, and you can also stay connected with us by our Twitter page, which is listed here, and our Facebook page as well. And I'm turning it over to Judy.